Baby, where she get that ass from? Oh, wait a minute. Mine ain't that big. Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to SE Lifestyle. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called SE Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. So today is Sunday. I'm just going to go ahead and do a Sunday vlog today. So I'm just kind of moving around. I'm getting ready to head to a store called Beauty Depot. I need some shavers for my eyebrows. Lack thereof eyebrows, but I'm going to go ahead and arch my eyebrows. I'm going to film a video today, so I need to get some things for my hair and stuff like that. So I'll be able to get everything from Beauty Depot. It's like a huge beauty store. They sell weaves, they sell, you name it that has to do with beauty, and they sell it. So I'm going to go pick up a few things from the beauty store. I don't know pretty much what I have on the agenda today, but I am going to go ahead and film a luxury wish list video. I've been seeing quite a few of those videos here on YouTube, but most of the items in the luxury wish list are kind of like bags and purses and clothes and stuff like that. But my luxury wish list will be a little bit different because it'll be for the home. Because outside of paying bills and saving, if I get extra money, it'll most likely go into my home. So I'm trying to do something different with my filming. So I'm using my phone instead of my Canon GX camera. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and head to Beauty Depot and take you guys along. So let's go. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I made it back from Beauty Depot, and I told you guys they have absolutely everything. Did you see the condoms in there? They actually have a good selection of beauty items in there, so it's really easy to spend $100. But I only spent 35, I think. But just let me show you guys what I picked up. Oh, shoot. Okay. So I end up getting these hoop earrings. They were only $1, but I can never keep up with these type of earrings. When I spend like $20 on them and buy them from Express or something like that, I either end up losing them or they end up breaking. So I just bought the Dollar brand, but I love to have a pair of these, and I bought a gold pack. I bought a gold one and a silver one, and I also bought this little turban. It was only $2.99. I may even wear it in my video today. I'm gonna see how it look, but oh child, I hope I ain't tear it up. But it's like in a black silverish type of color. So this is how it looks. on. So it's real cute. You know, when you have your makeup and stuff done, honey. So yeah, I got that. I also purchased some foaming mute. Can I talk? Can I talk? Foaming mute. I can't mute mousse. Okay, yeah, foaming mousse. That's what it's called by Cream of Nature. So this is what I like to use, and I was out of my mousse. My mousse. Okay. And I also bought some Wild Growth light oil moisturizer. I cannot talk today. Some light oil moisturizer just to kind of, you know, keep on my scalp and all of that stuff when I take my units off. And I purchased 3 razors, which was actually what I went in there for, so I can go ahead and arch my eyebrows today. But I like to, you know, keep these on hand for pretty much my eyebrows. And I also bought some Ambi Fade Cream. Before I started, you know, using all of the high-end skincare like the Murad and, you know, all of that stuff that we get from Sephora and Ulta, Ambi was what I used probably in my 20s when I had a very minimal skincare routine. But I broke out really bad from the mask. I had Maskne, which is basically acne from the mask. And I believe I figured out why I was breaking out so bad. I was using these white masks. I know you guys probably have seen me with the white masks, which I got those from my job. And pretty much I was just washing them, you know, with my wipes, with bleach and all of that stuff. So I believe what happened was when I was wearing the mask and I was out shopping, you know, because I would wear those all the time. I would just wash them and reuse them. But I think probably from the bleach, it probably started to get into my skin because, of course, I sweat with those masks on. I hate them, but of course we have to wear them. But I sweat. So I think when I was sweating, and I'm just assuming maybe the bleach kind of got into my skin because I broke out real bad. And then I have some hyperpigmentations from those breakouts. My skin has cleared up, so I don't have any breakouts, but there is, you know, hyperpigmentation left. There's a spot right here. There's a spot right here. There's a spot right here. And then I have some over here as well. So I'm just going to try the Ambi Fade Cream. I just thought I would just go back to what I knew. And of course, there's other things on the market. But I'm just going to see how it works. And I'll just apply it. And I do have oily skin. So they had the type for normal skin and oily skin. And I bought the one for oily skin. So all of these items was, how much did I spend? I spent $32.85. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup, do my hair, film the luxury wish list video, the home edition, and then I'll pick the vlog back up. And as I stated, it's Super Bowl Sunday. I really don't have anything planned. I do need to go into my office and kind of do some business stuff, handle some stuff with some bills, and I don't know what else. I'm not a fan of football, so I don't really care about it being Super Bowl, and I don't have a party to go to, so I'll just check back in with you guys after I film that video. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I'm in my office currently. I filmed 2 videos today. So the 2 videos that I filmed for you guys were all about me, and there is a giveaway in that video. So make sure you check that out, and as well as, what was the other video I filmed? Oh, my luxury wish list, the home edition, because I'm kind of focused on my home, not so much anything else. I have enough luxury stuff. But so yeah, so right now I'm pretty much going to balance my accounts. I like to do that on Sunday and just try to see, you know, how much money I have for the week, or, you know, what has cleared, what has not cleared. So that's what I'm going to do. I still have my work computers here in my office. They're going to allow us to keep these home for when we work from home. And we got all new computers going back into the office. So I made a, so I may need a new desk. I may need like a L-shaped desk. That way I can keep my work computers on one desk and then my little MacBook Pro on my other desk. So I don't need a lot of room for my laptop, but I definitely need a lot of room for the 2 monitors. But it's just going to make working from home easier. Or, you know, if I need to leave the office and there's something that I didn't finish, I can go ahead and get it done. You know, just come home and log on. I don't think I'm going to try to log on and do anything today, although I really should, because my new responsibilities start tomorrow. So I may have a little bit more on my plate than I typically have on a Monday. But I'm just going to duke it out. I don't think I'm going to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and balance some bills out. And then, I don't know, I guess I'll probably go get something to eat. My daughter, she cooks. So I may just go and bum a plate off of her. Because, you know, Mook is with his dad this weekend. So I'm quite sure he's going to have eaten before he gets home. And so, yeah, kind of tired. I want to lay down. So I'm going to go ahead and get this done, honey. I have my planner that I shared with you guys. I got it from Ross. And it's so cool. It actually has, that is my review from my job, my 2020 review. But it actually has stickers in the back of it. So it has like the Starbucks cup, OMG. It has smiley faces, love emojis, sad faces. It has a mask. Look at all this stuff that it has in the back. I don't think I shared it with you guys when I first shared it. So I haven't used anything, but it has happy birthday, day off, vacation. I have quite a few days of vacation next month because it's my birthday month, honey. And it has paper clips, has a cell phone, you know, fork and a knife for dinner, scissors for hair appointment, has a tooth for dental. This is so cool. And I didn't even see all of this until after I shared it with you guys. But it was like, I tore the price tag off, but it was like $12 out of Ross. So yeah. Okay, lifestyle lovers. So I'll check back in. We got to eat, honey. See what we're gonna figure out to do for dinner. I may cook some crabs. Watch the Super Bowl by myself, honey. I don't know about that. Love me. Okay, lifestyle lovers. So we're going on a little field trip. I'm headed to my daughter's house. She cooked dinner today. My daughter, she cooked dinner today, honey. So we're headed to her house. She cooks some, I think she says she cooked some scallop pasta with broccoli and salmon. It sounds so good and it looks so good. So, you know, she learned from the best, honey. So I'm going to get me a plate. I'm probably not going to cook today. It is probably about 5 o'clock. So it's a little late to be trying to cook. I'm just going to go to her house, get something to eat. And I may do a pot of crabs, I guess. Mookie is going to stay over and watch the Super Bowl game with his dad and his brothers. So he probably won't be home until later on tonight. I just told him make sure it's not too late. Because he has to get up and go to school in the morning. So I was just talking to my daughter, and when I told her I was coming over, she was like, oh my God, let me go check. She told me, oh my God, let me make sure nothing's out of place before Mommy Dearest comes over. Let me go light a candle or something. Because when I come over, baby, I be like, girl, you need to clean up. Baby, look here. I tell her boyfriend that. She know I don't say it to him before. I be like, you need to help her clean up, baby. Baby, what is y'all doing over here? Like, baby, I ain't gonna put up business out there, child. But I'm a perfectionist for my kids because I want them to be I want my kids to be the absolute best that they can be. So I go hard on her. She knows it. I go hard on Mookie. A lot of the times you guys don't get to see it, but baby, I got an iron fist. And I leads with iron fist. You guys see me in happy mom mode, but I goes off. Most days I be going off. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I just made it to my daughter's house. King is asleep, y'all. Y'all want to see King and Messiah, baby? They knocked out. Look at my babies. There go Messiah. Wait a minute. There go Messiah. And wait a minute. And there go King. Baby, look at them. They knocked out. Can you fix my plate?
Yes, I can fix your plate so you can put it on your vlog and show them who's the real chef.
Ooh. Okay, woke up, girl. Girl, look at my baby about to fall off the... I'm finna call DCF on her behind. Baby. Yeah, look at King. Look at Reverend. Girl, he about to fall off the sofa, near. I'm gonna let him fall. But this how you got him. Lay your head down, Daddy. Girl, look at her. She got them all over her sofa, baby. Ain't no blanket down for them to lay on.
A blanket out? What you talking about? And sofa still clean, as you can see.
Girl, bye.
What's wrong, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and fix your let me treat you like a guest. Get you.
Yeah, treat me like a guest for once. Can I be treated like a guest instead of baby a peasant, a trespasser? Okay, baby, she treat me like a trespasser when I come over here. Hey, Kinky boy, you want to see the lifestyle lovers? Say, me, ma, get that camera out my face because I'm sick of you.
Yeah, I gave you the rest of it.
Girl, I got a little drink. She trying to get me drunk, girl. Baby, what's going on, honey, on this Super Bowl Sunday? What am I drinking?
A mix.
I don't already had 2 glasses of wine.
You'll be all right.
What is this? This tastes good.
Baby, I'm a bartender, okay?
Baby, some kind of orange concoction. Come on, show them that ass so they can see. Show them that ass so we be like, well, where she got her ass from? Where she learn how to cook from? She get it from her mama. Hey, why she busting my windows out? What it say?
I don't know what it say. But come over here, that ratchet activity, honey.
Baby, come over here and show lifestyle loving your ass. Where she got that ass from?
First.
Baby, where she learn how to cook from?
Oh, man, embarrassing me.
Damn, that girl sexy. Her mama got ass too.
Everybody trying to get you drunk. You an adult.
Now y'all know one thing we got to work on. She can't be serving no guests on no paper plate.
Now you know what? Don't even go there with me now.
But I got me some dill sauce. I got me some salmon. What you said in this pasta near? Shrimp,
scallops,
scallops.
and scallops.
You got me some scallops on the plate? Cause I don't see none.
I thought I did grab some.
Y'all look at my baby. She's so pretty. She get it from her mama. Baby, where she get that ass from? Oh, wait a minute. Mine ain't that big. I don't know. She might not get that from me, y'all.
Who else I'm gonna get it from?
King done woke up. He got that butter. Hey, boy. I'm finna enjoy my food, honey.